Welcome to Mount Elgon National Park, the project implementation area for Bees for Hope. To implement our nature-based solution, we started out by identifying stakeholders to work with. We successfully got Uganda Wildlife Authority, Africa 2000 Network, and local communities neighbouring the park on board. The park is a biodiversity hotspot and yet surrounded by communities that have over time encroached on the landscape. Our aim in this landscape is to ensure that both nature and people flourish and also reduce the problem of landslides that come as a result of degrading the landscape. Together with our partners, we identified the most suitable alternative source of livelihood for the community, a nature-based solution to relieve the park of human pressure. Sites for hive installation were identified. We trained 60 farmers in good apiculture practices, hive installation, and the importance of tree planting. We installed 30 Kenyan top bar hives and planted Albizia tree species in the degraded gaps of the national park, Caliandra tree species as a bee foliage around the hives installed. We then met with the community groups to explain the scalability plan for the apiculture revolving fund, draw group work plans, and a monitoring strategy for the apiculture project. Our model establishes a potential of 10 new hives per season.
Our model encourages farmers around Mount Elgon National Park to move from activities which degrade the national park, like cultivation, to solutions which respect nature, that is beekeeping. We do this by initially providing hives at no cost for installation. Once the honey is ready, we buy it from the farmers. As Bees for Hope, a social enterprise, add value and sell to final consumers, creating a complete value chain for the honey business. When farmers are able to earn an income and have an alternative source of livelihood, it reduces their despair and encroachment on the park, helping in restoring the landscape and reducing the problem of landslides. This way, we are able to create a community where both people and nature thrive. We are currently writing grants and looking out for potential partners that will help us in mentorship, but also get seed funding to officially establish Bees for Hope as a social enterprise.